Are you tired of waking up in the morning with that heavy feeling on your chest, feeling like you have the weight of the world on your shoulders? I get it. Hi, I'm Wendy. I'm soon to be 57. I spent the majority of my career in corporate America and left 2 years ago. And I've struggled for the last couple of years with that same feeling, not knowing what I'm going to do next, how I'm going to make money. I'm watching my savings dwindle, and that is not a secure feeling for me. But then I stumbled across the Legacy Builders program, and guys, this is the answer. It's a living, breathing program that provides us mentoring, training multiple times a week. You learn how to build a business, you learn how to sustain that business, you learn how to build multiple streams of income, and it's all done within just a couple hours a day. I'm not doing the 9-to-5 grind anymore. I'm not beating myself up. I'm not burning the candle at both ends, and you don't have to either. This program is very simple, user-friendly, and it doesn't require a lot of technology. Really, it doesn't require any. It's pretty much done for you, plug and play, and you are on your way to start earning daily pay. Does it require a little work? Absolutely. But you know what that work is? It's me doing this right here. Providing content, providing you value, telling you about another option that's out there and how you can live your life a little less stressed. So if you'd like to learn more, I would love to teach you. I hate to see people struggle. I didn't like that feeling I felt for the last couple years, and I certainly don't want others feeling that way. And in my corporate role, that's what I did. I was support. I helped make people's lives easier, their jobs easier, and to ensure they were successful. And I promise you, I will be here to help you do the same as long as you're willing to put in the work. So hit me up, drop a comment below, let me know you're ready, and I'm here to help you. Make it a blessed day.